Hello friends, today we are going to discuss artificial intelligence, the course objectives and course outcome of a artificial intelligence. First of all, we will discuss about what is artificial intelligence. So, artificial intelligence is nothing but the branch of computer science which deals with to prepare or to develop and what we can say that to prepare and to develop computer agent that will behave just like as a human. So in short, we say that we are going to develop non-natural system which has the ability to perform, ability to learn their own. Okay, so what are the course objectives of a artificial intelligence? To understand the various characteristics of a intelligence agents, to learn the different search strategies in AI, to learn to represent knowledge in solving AI problems. So here knowledge is a database which is used for to solve AI problem. To understand the different ways of designing software agents. So these agents or intelligence nodes are able to perform their own or to take their own decisions, to know about the various applications of a AI. Finally, the course outcome of a artificial intelligence are the graduates use appropriate search algorithms for any AI problems. So, what is AI problem? AI problem are those problems which require knowledge or database to solve the AI problems. Chess or gaming, these are the examples of AI problems or any real world problem. Describe a problem using first order and predicate logic. So, what is this? First order and predicate logic are nothing but the knowledge representation technique. These are weak filar structure. With the help of that, knowledge which is to be represented in a artificial intelligence. Apply the agent strategy to solve a given problem. The graduates will be able to design software agent to solve a problem. And finally, the course outcome are design application for NLP, natural language process that use artificial intelligence. The best example of NLP is your Alexa, YouTube, search engines. So these are the few examples of NLP. So in artificial intelligence, what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the different production system, heuristic searching techniques, BFS, DFS, A star, AO star and mean end analysis. We are also going to discuss different knowledge representation techniques, knowledge engineering, weak filar structure and strong filar structure. In strong filar structure, we are going to discuss semantic network, frames, script, conceptual dependency. In also we are going to discuss game planning and game planning and game playing. So what are the different ways with the help of that the game playing technique which is to be performed for the tic-tac-toe min-max search algorithm we are going to discuss. Then block wall problem. Then we are going to discuss about NLP and expert system. In NLP, we are going to discuss different steps of a NLP and we will discuss about architecture of a expert system. And finally, we will discuss about neural network, characteristics of neural network, biological neural networks, then comparison between computer and biological neural network. Then we will discuss about basic learning laws, what are different learning techniques, supervised, unsupervised learning techniques. This thus in this way we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence. Okay, thank you.